Right, first off, what's a loaf? Not just your ordinary muddy bog, I'm talking food here. What's a loaf made of, and where do you usually find it? A loaf is a shaped mass of bread, usually made from flour, water, yeast, and baked in an oven. You usually find it in a bakery or kitchen. Now, you ever hear of a loaf that's all sweet-like and soft? What's a popular sweet loaf that folks munch on for breakfast or tea? Banana bread is a sweet loaf, often enjoyed as a breakfast treat or dessert. Here's one for ye bakers. What do you call that long, skinny loaf? Usually crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside. That's a baguette, a long, narrow loaf popular in French baking. Fancy a challenge? What's the name of a loaf baked in a pan which keeps its shape and makes it easy to slice for sandwiches? That's a sandwich loaf or pan loaf. It's baked in a rectangular pan. Now listen here. If ye think baking's just throwing stuff together, think again. What's the special, standardized loaf bakers use to check the quality of their oven? It's called a test loaf, used by professional bakers for oven calibration and quality control. Another one for ye. What's the name of that dense, heavy loaf often made with rye flour, real popular in Northern Europe? Rye bread loaf, known for its dense texture and strong flavor. Last one. Name the traditional Scottish oat cake loaf, sometimes called a bannock, that's hearty enough to keep an ogre fed through the night. That'd be bannock, a traditional Scottish oat cake loaf often made with oats or barley. Quick, what's the difference between a loaf and a batch? And how do bakers decide which to call which? A loaf is a single-shaped bread, often baked in a pan. A batch refers to a set or group of breads baked at once, not necessarily shaped individually.